Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel Fit and Fine, the complete fitness. Fit आणि healthy लोकांना माझा नमस्कार.
Today we are going to learn how to perform Natarajasana. It is the more difficult yogasana which improves our balance and coordination amongst eye, leg and hand. So here is how to perform Natarajasana. Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the balancing pose. The first and more important, more difficult pose is Natarajasana. This pose is perfect for bringing balance and improving coordination. So here we are going to take a look how to perform it and we'll see the benefit of this asana. Natarajasana is also called standing half bow balance pose. There are the few instructions how to perform it that I am going to tell you step by step. Step number 1. Stand with the feet together and focus on a fixed point so you can maintain the balance of your body. Then step number 2. Inhale, bend the left knee and grasp the ankle with same hand, that is left hand behind the body. Raise the right hand up. Step number 3. Keep both knees together and maintain the balance, or you can maintain both the knees in 90 degree and try to balance your body at this position. Then step number 4. Exhale slowly. Raise and stretch the right leg backward as high as comfortable, so through which you can maintain the balance. Step number 5. Reach upward and forward with right arm. Next step. Focus the gaze on right hand and try to maintain the balance at least for a minute. Then hold the position for 5 to 10 breaths with your balance. After this, inhale and then lower the right arm to the side. Lower the left leg, bringing the knees together. Then exhale, release the left ankle and lower the foot on the floor. Lower the right arm to the side. This step you have to repeat for other side also. So likewise you need to perform this standing half bow balance pose. Basically some kind of the precaution we need to take care while doing this pose. The people, those who are suffering from high blood pressure, back problems, knees problem, hernia, they should not perform this asana. Okay. So few benefits I will have to discuss over here. The first and important benefit of this standing half bow balance pose is strengthening the back. Due to stretching, we are going to strengthen our back so that we should not find in future any kind of back pain. So strengthening the back, shoulder, arms, hips and legs. Okay. Then another benefit is developing a sense of balance and the coordination for improving concentration. While maintaining the balance with the breath 5 to 10 breath we are going to take at standing position or balance position will have to maintain our body CG and through which balance. So there should be the coordination between amongst our body parts. Then it will help to tone the lower back and our thighs. It will help to tone our muscle of your arms. It will help to tone the muscle of your arms and shoulders. It helps to open up the chest. Due to this kind of the stretch, we are strengthening our abdomen. This will make your spine, shoulder more flexible. As I told you, it will strengthen our back muscle also. It will improve the posture and it helps to develop the balance because of the concentration. So these are the somewhat benefits of this standing pose asana. So last step is, we'll see about the duration or repetitions for this pose. Begin by holding the Natarajasana for about a minute and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable with this posture. Repeat it 3 times on each side alternatively from right to left. Thank you.